What is up, AI enthusiasts? It's your boy, back with another exciting deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. And let me tell you, things are about to get seriously next level. Today, we're talking about the hottest topic in the game right now, generative AI, and the must-read books that will put you ahead of the curve in 2024. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of AI-powered creativity and understand the groundbreaking tech shaping our future, you are in the right place. First up, we're kicking things off with a bang, The Master Algorithm by the brilliant Pedro Domingos. Now, this book isn't just about some fancy code, it's about the mother of all algorithms. Domingos takes us on a wild ride through the quest to create a single learning algorithm capable of solving any problem. Imagine that. We're talking revolutionizing healthcare, transforming retail, the whole 9 yards. He breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language, and trust me, the implications he lays out about the future are mind-blowing. Buckle up because this one's a game-changer. Now, if you're ready to get your hands dirty and build some AI magic yourself, Deep Learning with Keras by Antonio Gully and Sujit Pal is your new best friend. This book is your one-stop shop for mastering deep learning using the super user-friendly Keras framework. Whether you're into computer vision, natural language processing, or yeah, you guessed it, generative AI, this book has got you covered. They break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces and pack the book with tons of practical examples and projects that will have you building your own AI models in no time. Okay, let's be real. Sometimes AI can feel like you need a PhD to even scratch the surface. But fear not, my friends, because Artificial Intelligence for Dummies by John Mueller and Luca Massarin is here to save the day. This book takes the intimidation factor out of AI and breaks down everything you need to know in a way that anyone can understand. From the history of AI to its current real-world uses and the potential future it holds, this book covers it all. Get ready to impress your friends with your newfound AI knowledge. Next up, we're focusing on the visual side of AI with Deep Learning for Computer Vision by Rajalingappa Shamagamani. This book dives deep into the world of training neural networks to see and understand images just like we do. And we're not just talking about basic stuff here. This book covers advanced techniques that will have you building AI models for tasks like facial recognition, object detection, and even generating completely new images from scratch. If you're ready to master the power of computer vision with TensorFlow and Keras, this is the book for you. Get ready to rock out, because things are about to get musical. Deep Learning Techniques for Music Generation by Jean-Pierre Briot, Gaëtan Hadjers, and François-David Pache takes us on a journey into the fascinating world where AI and music collide. This book explores all the cool ways deep learning can be used to create and compose music, from generating catchy melodies to crafting entire symphonies. We're talking about the future of music production, baby. Whether you're a musician, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the creative potential of AI, this book will blow your mind. Now, for all you hardcore AI enthusiasts out there, it's time to talk GANs. Learning Generative Adversarial Networks by Kuntal Ganguly is your ultimate guide to understanding and mastering these powerful AI models. GANs are like the rock stars of generative AI, capable of creating crazy realistic images, videos, and even audio. This book breaks down the complexities of GANs into digestible parts, covering everything from the basics to advanced architectures and training techniques. You'll even get your hands dirty with hands-on examples and code using popular frameworks like TensorFlow. Get ready to unleash your inner AI artist. Alright, time for a little AI humor, because let's face it, sometimes these algorithms have a funny way of showing their intelligence. Janelle Shane's "You Look Like a Thing and I Love You" is a hilarious and insightful exploration of all the quirky and unexpected things that happen when AI tries to understand our world. From hilarious chatbot fails to AI-generated recipes for disaster, Shane shows us that even with all its power, AI still has a lot to learn. This book is a lighthearted reminder that while AI is changing the world, it's not always perfect, and that's okay. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even question everything you thought you knew about AI. Hold on to your hats, because things are about to get seriously advanced. Advanced Deep Learning with Python by Ivan Vasilev is not for the faint of heart. This book is for those who are ready to push the boundaries of AI and explore the bleeding edge of what's possible. We're talking about diving into complex topics like reinforcement learning, generative models, and even neural architecture search. Vasilev breaks down these advanced techniques with crystal-clear explanations and practical examples using both TensorFlow and PyTorch. If you're ready to level up your AI game and build the next generation of intelligent systems, this book is your guide. Ready to create some AI magic? Hands-on Generative Adversarial Networks with PyTorch 1.x by John Haney and Greg Walters is your practical guide to building GNs that can generate mind-blowing images and videos. And the best part? You'll be doing it all with the power of PyTorch. This book takes a hands-on approach, walking you through every step of the process, from understanding GN architecture and training to creating your own custom GN models. Get ready to unleash your inner AI artist and amaze your friends with your creations. Want to see the real-world power of AI in action? TensorFlow Deep Learning Projects by Luca Massarin, Alberto Boschetti, Alexey Grigorev, Abhishek Thakur, and Rajlingappa Shamagamani is your ticket to building AI that makes a difference. This book takes you beyond the theory and dives headfirst into 10 real-world projects that will have you applying your skills to solve actual problems. We're talking computer vision, machine translation, AI chatbots, and even the magic of reinforcement learning. This is your chance to gain practical experience and master TensorFlow with projects that really matter. Now, let's talk about how AI is changing the world of writing and content creation. The Equalizing Quill by Angela E. Lauria explores the groundbreaking ways in which AI is leveling the playing field for writers of all levels. We're talking about automating tedious tasks, boosting creativity, and opening up new avenues for storytelling that we've never seen before. But it's not just about the tech. Lauria also dives into the ethical considerations and challenges that come with AI-generated content. Get ready to rethink the future of writing. Get ready to explore the far-reaching effects of AI on our world, because Ripples of Generative AI by Jacob Emerson takes us on a wild ride through the many ways this tech is impacting our lives. From healthcare and education to entertainment and finance, Emerson paints a vivid picture of how AI is revolutionizing every industry imaginable. But this book isn't just about celebrating the cool stuff. Emerson also tackles the ethical, social, and economic implications of AI, challenging us to consider both the opportunities and potential downsides of this powerful technology. Attention all business leaders, CEOs, and anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve. This book is for you. Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals for Business Leaders by I. Almeida is your guide to understanding and harnessing the power of AI in your organization. No more tech jargon, no more confusion. This book breaks down complex concepts into actionable insights, helping you develop effective AI strategies, overcome implementation challenges, and unlock the true potential of AI to drive growth and innovation. Ready to take your AI skills to the cloud? Generative AI on AWS by Chris Fregley, Antje Barth, and Shelby Eigenbrode is your comprehensive guide to building and deploying powerful AI models on the robust AWS platform. This book covers everything from setting up your AWS environment and utilizing pre-built AI services to developing your own custom models for tasks like text generation, image synthesis, and data augmentation. Whether you're a seasoned AWS pro or just starting your cloud journey, this book is packed with practical examples and best practices to help you succeed. Get ready to unleash your inner AI artist with Generative Deep Learning, Teaching Machines to Paint, Write, Compose, and Play by David Foster. This book takes us on a captivating journey into the world of generative AI, where machines are no longer just tools but creators in their own right. Foster unveils the secrets behind AI models that can paint stunning artworks, compose captivating music, and write compelling stories. With detailed explanations, code examples, and a passion for exploring the intersection of art and technology, Foster empowers readers to tap into the creative potential of AI. Ever wonder how to get the most out of your interactions with AI systems? The key is mastering the art of prompt engineering and demystifying prompt engineering. AI Prompts at Your Fingertips by Harish Bhatt is your ultimate guide. This book takes the guesswork out of crafting effective prompts, providing you with the tools and techniques to get the precise responses you need from AI models. Bhatt breaks down complex concepts into easy-to-understand language, offering step-by-step instructions and real-world examples to help you level up your AI communication game. Looking for the ultimate one-stop resource for all things AI and generative AI? Look no further than the Artificial Intelligence and Generative AI Bible by Alger Fraley. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need from foundational concepts like machine learning and neural networks to the intricacies of GANs and real-world AI applications. Whether you're a beginner just starting your AI journey or a seasoned practitioner looking for a refresher, this book has something for everyone. Get ready to dive deep into the world of AI with this invaluable resource. Ready to see how generative AI is revolutionizing industries across the board? Generative AI in Practice by Bernard Marr delivers exactly that, providing real-world case studies and examples of companies leveraging the power of AI to innovate and optimize their operations. From content creation and product design to predictive analytics and customer service, Marr explores the practical applications of AI in action. Whether you're a business leader, an entrepreneur, or simply curious about the future of various industries, this book is an eye-opening exploration of the transformative power of AI. New to the world of AI and feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry. Artificial Intelligence and Generative AI for Beginners by David M. Patel is here to guide you through the basics. Patel makes AI accessible to everyone, breaking down complex concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and generative AI into simple, easy-to-understand language. With step-by-step instructions for building your own AI projects, you'll be creating AI magic in no time. This book is your perfect starting point for exploring the exciting world of AI. Ready to build powerful generative AI models with the cutting-edge LangChain framework? Generative AI with LangChain by Ben Alford is your comprehensive guide to mastering this exciting technology. This book takes you beyond the basics, diving deep into the architecture and key features of LangChain. You'll learn how to leverage LangChain's capabilities for a variety of applications, from text generation and image synthesis to data augmentation and beyond. With detailed explanations and code examples throughout, you'll be building your own LangChain-powered AI models in no time. And there you have it, my AI enthusiasts, your ultimate guide to the most anticipated generative AI books of 2024. I'm incredibly grateful for your support, and I'm always working hard to bring you the best AI content out there. Let me know in the comments below which book you're most excited to read. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, if you're as passionate about AI as I am, let's connect. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future AI goodness. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI.